Hello, everyone. Let's make lamb chops. Ingredients needed: 2 teaspoons of curd, little bit of oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of dried parsley, salt, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of steak masala, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well. Now add the lamb chops into the masala and make sure they are well coated on every side. Once the lamb chops are well coated, place them on the grill separately, making sure they do not touch each other. Now grill the lamb chops at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes on one side, then turn them over and grill for another 5 minutes on the other side. Make sure the lamb chops are cooked evenly on both sides. And there you have it. Your lamb chops are ready to serve now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.